Hello, this is David Corrine, and joining me today is Blake Cohen. And Blake, you're going to talk about the art of leaving a voicemail. Tell us a little bit more about that, Blake.
Yeah, for sure, David. I'm here today just to give you a little bit of input on how to leave a correct voicemail that will get you some responses. As a recruiter, we are often required to leave voicemails to our prospective candidates. Here are some basic key points which have proven to be very helpful in getting a call back. Number one, know what you're going to say. Have a note handy if needed to keep you in line. Keep messages short and concise. Remember to speak slowly and clearly. Repeat your name and phone number. Usually this works best if the information is provided at the beginning and then at the end of the voicemail. Use 60 seconds as your rule of thumb. People tend to disregard lengthy voicemails. We're all human, so if somebody's leaving you a 5 to 6 minute voicemail, you're probably going to hang up after the first minute or so anyway. So just to give you a quick example of how a great voicemail can be crafted, it would go something like this. Hi, Robert. This is Blake Cohen with Davron. My number is 813-961-6632. I'm at extension 33. I discovered your resume on Monster and would like to tell you about a great opportunity I have with one of my clients in Tampa. It looks like you have a great background for what they're looking for, and I'd like to talk to you more about the position. Once again, this is Blake Cohen with Davron, and you can reach me at 813-961-6632. I'm at extension 33. Again, this is just a quick example of how to leave a great voicemail that will get you some feedback.
And also, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below or let us know if there's a topic that you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching and happy hunting.